What type of questions were asked during this exam? Any example so that the students or candidates who are planning, so they will get some kind of gist. So few
Sure.
examples if possible. Not
Yeah,
exactly
sure.
same questions,
Yeah,
but so that they understand the
of course
feel.
not.
Yeah.
Of course not. Yeah,
Yeah.
on a serious note, I think like from what I can recall, basically you have types of field service, internal, external, try to understand that. You have
Okay.
field service models. So the way I told you, right, you require an installation, you want a maintenance, and then you want like in case of a break fix. So those are the FS models that are available. So for them also you can have a basically basic understanding of them. Then go through the field service life cycle. So there are 5 stages in the field service management life cycle. So go through each and every stage, understand what it is, and in
Okay.
each stage there is a different role and role of a person that is responsible to take it forward. So understanding the roles and understanding their responsibilities, and then the most important topic in field
Yeah.
service according to me is dynamic
Mhm.
scheduling. You
Dynamics
need to understand
scheduling.
dynamic scheduling. Yes, dynamic
Okay.
scheduling.
Okay.
So basically, let's consider we have a work order, right? Giving you a normal example, we have a work order,
Mm.
and let's say that generally, in most of the cases, in a layman term, someone generally assigns this work order to agent, right? Let's say
Yeah.
we don't want to do it. We already know we have like let's say the water purifier company that I talked about has 10 agents, right? All
Okay.
of them have their skills defined, all of them have their locations defined, which area they cover in. So why should I basically wait for an someone from service desk or someone as a qualifier or initiator to assign it to a particular field service agent? I want it to be done automatically, right? So basically the user enters that these are the things that I have issue with, this is my location, and then and there the work order should get assigned to one particular field agent. That is where the dynamic scheduling comes into picture. So it's basically automatic assignment of a work
Okay.
order. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
dynamic assignment is, automation is the most important thing here.
Correct, correct. I
Okay.
mean, we are all working towards automation, and field
Right.
service already has one. So it is easier for us to understand how it works. And already we have a PDI, right? So anybody can go through and understand how dynamic scheduling works, right, in
Okay.
a live environment.